Hello VIPs. I just wanted to give you a little information on the auto inflation systems that we have on probably 95% of our trailers. They're a feature that keeps air in your tires. It's set at 100 PSI. There's a control box underneath with an on and off valve that can be easily accessed by the driver in case there was a system failure, per se a hose leaking or one of the cross tees that leak. You can completely shut off this system and still have full functionality of the trailer until it's able to be routed into a facility to get repaired. So here is the control panel for the auto inflation system. And basically when it's in the on position, the valve is going to be facing towards the passenger side or the curb side of the trailer. When the system is off, you're simply just going to flip the valve so that handle points towards the back of the trailer. This will shut all air off to the auto inflation hoses that go to each individual wheel. So I just wanted to explain a little bit about the auto inflation system and how it functions. Earlier I showed you the actual valve assembly that supplies air to the system. Here on the outside and in the inner part of the wheel, air is fed through the axle housing itself and branches off to each wheel. Okay, this system is regulated at 100 PSI, so it maintains 100 pounds of pressure in each individual tire. If this system were to leak or one of these lines were to break off, there are check valves in the system so it will not allow the tire to completely deflate. Okay. If that were to happen, then you would revert back to that valve that I showed you earlier, shut that off. The system is now completely shut off, not supplying any air to the auto inflation system. And the trailer is actually still legal to pull until we can get you in and get that repaired. Just a side note, you see these yellow straps? You may have heard me talk about anti-skid devices. That's what these are. These are fully visible from each mirror on your tractor. So make sure that when you do pull out from a parking area that you actually see these spinning in your mirrors, letting you know that the wheels are not in the locked position.